Hey guys, welcome to Auto Tech Works. Today I am explaining you the concept of load in engineering and its types. Let's start it. Concept of load in engineering. We know that machines and structures are made by joining different parts or elements together so that they can fulfill our needs and can bear external forces acting on them. Different forces acting on these elements or parts is called a load. For example, weight of a vehicle on a bridge or forces of air acting on wall. These all are load. Types of loads. Loads are classified into following three categories. First, dead loads and live loads. Second, axial and transverse load. Third, tensile, compressive and shear load. Dead load and live load. First, dead load. Dead load are static loads. Their magnitude always remains constant and their point of action remains specific. They does not change over time. For example, load of pillar in a building. Second, live load. Live loads are dynamic load or non-static loads. Their magnitude always changes and their point of action does not remain constant. These loads change with time. For example, load of a walking man in a building. Second type of load is axial load and transverse load. Axial load. Load which act through the line element in the direction of its length axis is called axial load. Axial load can act in two ways. First, when its line of action passes through the length axis is called central load. Second, when its line of action is parallel to the length axis are called eccentric load. Transverse load. Loads whose line of action is perpendicular to the length axis of an element is called transverse load. Third type of load is tensile, compressive and shear load. Tensile load. When pull forces are acting on a body or element are called tensile load. Tensile load results in the increment of length and decrement of area of cross section. Compressive load. When push forces are acting on an element or a body are called compressive load. Compressive load results in the increment in area of cross section and decrement in length. Shear load. When opposite forces are acting on an element or body which results in the breakage of it or increases the chances of breakage of it are called shear load. You can understand it very easily. Just have a look at the diagram. In the part A rivet joint is shown. Two plates, upper plate and lower plate, are joined by a rivet. Two opposite forces F are acting on upper plate and lower plate. If this force F is capable of breaking the rivet, then it will break the rivet according to the part B. This is the example of shear load. Thank you for watching this video guys. If you have any query related to this video or the topic you want to understand, comment it, like my video, share my video and hit the red subscribe button quickly. Quickly guys, I am targeting of 1000 likes. Go ahead.